today is how we're going to frost a piece of glass. So this is a piece of float glass that came out of a set of old antique doors that I've installed. And I want it frosted rather than clear, as you can see there. It's currently clear. So to put a frosting on it, we could get a piece of frosted glass, but they're quite expensive, so I thought I'd just frost these. The way we go about that is we apply a frosted film. So you can buy frosted film like this, and it basically sticks on. I'm going to go through the process of how we go about sticking it on. First thing we need to do is clean the glass, make sure it's quite clean, so I just use a commercial window cleaner. Give it a spray and a good clean. Once you've got the glass nice and clean, you need to apply a spray of water, just general tap water. A little drop of detergent in there doesn't hurt. Nice liberal coating. You'll see this comes apart. So you've got the film and a backing. We're going to apply it film side down and just stick it on. That water on there will create some tension and hold the film while you peel this back off. Go nice and slow. You want it to just peel off and then plop down on the glass. Once you get to that point, you take the corners, you can lift this and gently flip it over. Whoops. Gently flip it over, laying it onto the wet glass. Any little bubbles and things, you can just gently lift it and lay it down smoothly. Once you get it to that point, we're going to use this little Unger American made oops, you can just pop that back up, lay it flat. I'm using this to basically press the air bubbles out and lay it smooth. Just go nice and steady, pressing all the air bubbles out as you go. You can see there's a bit of water and stuff coming out on the end. All nice and smooth. Pressing the last of those couple of little bubbles out. So there you go, you've got one piece of frosted glass now, as you can see. These little bits of extra, you can just trim those off with a blade. Voila, frosted glass. So there's the end result, nicely frosted glass on the original float glass. Total cost about $40 for everything.